G'day and welcome to another video with Better Pics. Hope this finds everyone well. Today's video is just a very quick one around the update to Adobe Camera Raw that just happened in the last few weeks. One of the things that I wanted to show people before we dive into a more in-depth look at the updates to Adobe Camera Raw is how to make sure that you're accessing all of the latest AI features that we will be talking about. So important that you have access to those so that you know you are getting the maximum benefit of those new features. If we just head up to the top right hand corner and click on our preferences dialog box or Control K, and if we go to the very bottom at technology previews, we want to make sure that that box is checked, new AI features and settings panel. So make sure that one is checked, hit OK, and you will be sure to have available to you all of those latest features that we will be talking in an upcoming video. Hope this video has been helpful. Thanks as always for stopping by. As always, any questions are welcome in the comments below, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Take care.